On the eve of Victory Day, Russia's premier tank manufacturer, Uralvagonzavod, announced the dispatch of a fresh consignment of T-72B3M and T-90M main battle tanks to the Russian armed forces. The delivery, confirmed through the company's official Telegram channel and accompanied by images of the tanks loaded onto railcars, underscores Russia's ongoing efforts to modernize its armored fleet amid a challenging global economic landscape. While the exact number of tanks remains undisclosed, the shipment highlights the persistent role of these Soviet-era platforms in contemporary warfare, particularly in the context of evolving battlefield threats. The announcement, timed symbolically ahead of a major national holiday, signals both industrial resilience and a commitment to sustaining military capabilities. In a statement posted on Telegram, Uralvagonzavod emphasized that the tanks incorporate approximately 200 design changes implemented over the past 3 years to enhance firepower, protection, and mobility. These upgrades include electronic warfare systems to counter drones, anti-drone netting, and rubber-reinforced armor shielding critical components like the turret rear and engine compartment. The T-72B3M, a modernized iteration of the venerable T-72 series, remains a workhorse of the Russian Army. First introduced in the 1970s, the T-72 was designed as a cost-effective, mass-produced tank capable of countering NATO's armored forces during the Cold War. In contrast, the T-90M Proryv, or Breakthrough, represents Russia's most advanced main battle tank in active service. An evolution of the T-90 series, which itself derives from the T-72, the T-90M boasts a welded turret with enhanced armor protection and a modular design. The T-72B3M and T-90M, with their relatively low cost and ease of production compared to Western counterparts, embody this renewed emphasis on armored warfare, albeit with adaptations to counter new threats. Yet, tanks are far from invincible. The conflict in Ukraine has exposed the vulnerabilities of even the most advanced armored vehicles. Yet, the persistent vulnerabilities of armored vehicles, regardless of their origin, highlight a broader truth. No single platform can dominate a battlefield defined by technological flux. The T-72B3M and T-90M are not game changers but rather tools in a larger arsenal, their value contingent on how well they are integrated into combined arms operations. As warfare continues to evolve, one wonders whether these tanks will prove to be a bulwark against emerging threats or merely the latest chapter in the long, contested history of armored warfare. Can they tilt the balance in Russia's favor, or will the next generation of weapons render even these upgraded machines obsolete?